we have to prove, what to prove? To prove f of z equal to a0 plus a1 z minus z0 plus a2 z minus z0 square up to infinite, which is the Taylor series, plus b0 z minus z0 to the power minus 1 b1 z minus z0 to the power minus 2 plus up to infinite. Then the positive term and the negative. What is the circle? We have two circles, C1 and C2. C1 and C2. Two circles. The direction of C1 is anti-clockwise. We have to say the direction of C1 is anti-clockwise and the direction of C2 is clockwise. Then we have to cut this circle by a line. This line is AB. By a line AB. Then what is the direction? We find what is the direction of AB. Direction of AB is clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Direction of AB is anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction of C1 is anti-clockwise direction. Also, it is the direction of AB. Direction of AB. This is the direction of BA, means C2. The curve C2 is also C2 is clockwise direction, which is the direction of BA. BA means clockwise direction. This direction is this one is B. A is clockwise direction. Then we have to join a line AB between two circles C1 and C2. We separate by Cauchy's integral formula. We have a region. We divide the region D into two parts. What is the part? One is C1. C1 is started here. One is C1. First, we find the starting point A. We find this is the C1. One is it. The boundary can be divided. We have to integrate where? We have to integrate the boundary. This is called the delta C1. This is called the delta C2. We have to integrate the boundary. Then the boundary divided into four parts. What are the four parts? First part is starting point A and ending starting point B to A. This point to this point. This is the first part. Then what is the second part? This is the AB is the second part. Then the part of C2. Then the part of C2. Then BA. We have to participate four parts C1, AB, BA and C2. Because the graph is cut. Then the direction of AB and BA will be cancelled. Why it cancelled? Because AB equal to this is the AB is the clockwise, BA is the anti-clockwise. AB is the anti-clockwise, BA is the clockwise. We convert it into anti-clockwise. So this is cancelled. Also C2 is the clockwise. If we convert it negative, if we give it negative, then it becomes anti-clockwise. This is also anti-clockwise. If 2 cos anti-clockwise, then we added easily by multiplying 1 by 2 by integration of this plus integration of this. We have to prove this, the Taylor's theorem, to find first part. This is the Taylor series. Let t belongs to D with only point and t minus z0 greater than z minus z0. Then z minus we have to positive z minus z0 term. We have to positive this term. So t minus z0 is greater. That's why if we expand this, we find a series of this term must be convergent, because the if we go to infinite term, this is very small. This term is very small. So what we find 1 by t minus z can be written as by subtracting z0 and adding z0. We know positive this term. Then 1 by taking common, what to take common? T minus z0. We find 1 minus z0 by t minus z0 term. This can be written as 1 by t minus z0, 1 minus z z0 by t minus z0 inverse. Then apply binomial theorem. What is binomial theorem? 1 minus x inverse equal to 1 plus x square up to infinite. We put here that is 1 by t minus z equal to 1 by t minus z0, 1 plus z z0 by t minus z0 plus z z0 square by t minus z0 square plus z z0 cube by t minus z0 cube up to infinite. Then multiply this. If you multiply this, then one power is increased in denominator. 1 by t minus z0 plus z z0 by t minus z0 square plus z z0 square by t minus z0 cube up to infinite. 1 by t minus z0. If we integrate, we find mostly function rt multiply ft and integrate with respect to t. Integrate with respect to t. If we multiply ft, then we find ft by t minus z. Then integrate with respect to t. If we multiply ft, all term multiplies to ft. This also ft by t minus z0. Here center is z0. Here center is any point. That means we have to integrate any point. So we find the integral function. What is the result of integration? Function having some derivative. If you integrate the function, we find original function. Suppose y equal to sin x. If you derivative cos x, this is the differential function. If you integrate this, we find the function. Now, if you integrate the whole point, we find the entire function. Because f is analytic, in total rigid. If f is analytic, it must be continuous, must be differential. If differential exists, we have to integrate. Then find whole the function. We find all the exponents of the function. Plus, if you with respect to multiply t with respect to t, so what is z minus z0? Constant. Taking outside z minus z0 multiply ft by t minus z0, this is square with respect to dt. Then plus this term square z minus z0 square integration ft by t minus z0 whole cube dt up to infinite. We find this term. Then by Cauchy's formula, what is the formula? Integration dt by t minus, suppose dz, dt or dz by t minus a. Partition of a, what is the formula? 2 pi I, the functional value exists at a. 2 by, let's see the n equal to c. Then integration c dz by t minus a to the power n plus 1. Then its some power increase. What is the formula? 2 pi I by n factorial into nth derivative out of Okay, to find the derivative, what is the net derivative we have to do? Then, what is this formula? What is the center?
Z.
What is the center? Z. We write 2 pi I above Z. 2 pi above Z. No, we have to find this. You will find this in here. You find this in here. Then you multiply 2 pi. Multiply 2 pi. That implies multiply. You cannot find function because you find the integration. Which column? Which column? Choose C1 column. Then we find C1. We find this integral. So multiply 1 by 2 pi I both sides.
Set.
Multiply 1 by 2 pi both sides. Then 1 by 2 pi I integration over C1 ft dt by t minus z equal to what? 1 by 2 pi I. Then putting the formula. What is the formula?
2 pi I
2 pi I
divided by
f of z because it is a single function. Apply the first 2 pi I for z0 plus 2 pi I by 2 because 1 factor f dash z0 प्लस नहीं टर्म ओमिट कर देते हमें इतना z माइनस z0 2 pi I by 1 factorial f dash z0 plus z minus z0 whole square into 2 pi I by 2 factorial f double dash z0 plus up to infinite. So substitute direct, then 2 pi cancel, hold on, we get f of z0 plus z minus z0 f dash z0 plus z minus z0 square by 2 factorial f double dash z0 plus up to infinite. These are the series, but we reckon this written as summation n equal to 0 or 1? 0 to infinite. 0 minus z0 to the power n.
fn z0 so तौले उठे मतलब n factorial
नहीं
तौले उठे n
मतलब ये what is n? Where n equal to what is fn z0? The book can be written. What is fn z0? 1 by this can be written 1 by 2 pi the first term 2 pi dt by t minus z to the power नहीं t minus z0 to the power book can be written this. What do we have to find? N fn z0 by n factorial. Then we find the series. What is n? It is positive. N belongs to natural organization is obviously positive. Now these terms can be expressed. The sum of the positive term. Again we find the negative term. The negative term. What do you find negative? Similar term. Suppose t belongs to the first one or second one.